Hi everyone, welcome to Greece and welcome to Greece's second largest city, Thessaloniki. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the nightlife in Thessaloniki on a Friday night. But before we go any further in today's video, I just want to give a really quick shout out to Surfshark VPN. Surfshark is the world's best VPN provider. So if you don't know, a VPN protects your devices when you're connected to public Wi-Fi networks. So if you're at the airport or in a coffee shop, in a restaurant, connected to a public Wi-Fi network, your devices are at risk from hackers and viruses. But a VPN protects you. So if you purchase a Surfshark VPN, in the description to this video, click onto the description, click onto the link, you can protect all of your devices using Surfshark. Surfshark is available in over 100 countries, so wherever you're traveling in the world, you can protect your devices. You can also change your virtual location too. So go to the description and get yourself a Surfshark VPN. Now, I was actually very impressed by the nightlife here. You have this area called Ladadika. I think I'm saying that correctly, but do correct me in the comment section if I've not said that correctly. So yeah, I'm going to pronounce it Ladadika. So in Ladadika, you have lots of cobbled streets full of bars, pubs, restaurants. It's a really vibrant place to be, as you can see from the clips here. So this is where you want to come for a nice out in Thessaloniki. Now, Thessaloniki is known to be a student city. There's lots of students about, lots of young people about. So it's a good place to study if you think about doing Erasmus, because you have lots of bars and nightclubs that you can party in. And if you are looking for a more authentic Greek experience, then Thessaloniki is really good because it's not very touristy. There are some tourists, of course, but it's nowhere near as touristy as Athens. It's nowhere near as touristy as Crete in the summer, or Corfu in the summer, or Rhodes, all these islands in the summer. Nowhere near as touristy, so you get a more authentic experience here. I actually will be doing a comparison video with Thessaloniki with Athens very soon. I hope to get that video out before the end of the new year, but maybe it may be in the new year in 2024, so we'll have to see. But I will be doing a video comparing Thessaloniki with Athens, including comparing the nightlife. So do subscribe to the channel because you will get to see that video soon. So make sure you're subscribed. It does help the channel out, and you will get to see more content comparing Greek cities soon. And if you have been to Thessaloniki, and if you have had a night out in Thessaloniki, comment in the comment section if you enjoyed the nightlife in Thessaloniki. So comment if you enjoyed it. Did you have a night out here? Did you have a good time? Do you remember the pub or the bar or the club that you went to? So drop a comment if you did enjoy the nightlife here. And also, just out of personal curiosity, if you've been to multiple places in Greece, what was your favourite place in Greece? Just because I'm interested to see what your favourite place in Greece was. So if you've been to Athens and some of the islands in Thessaloniki, was your favourite city Thessaloniki? Was it Athens? Was it somewhere else? So drop a comment in the comment section what your favourite destination in Greece is. Now, on this street we're coming up to here, there are loads of pubs and bars in this street. This street here is just filled up with pubs and bars everywhere. So this is a great street to come down to if you are looking for a drink, or if you're looking to do like a little bar crawl or something like that. Comparing the nightlife here to other places in the Balkans, such as, for example, in Bulgaria, in Sofia and Plovdiv, I think Thessaloniki does certainly have better nightlife than nightlife you'll find in Bulgaria, for example. The nightlife in Sofia and Plovdiv I didn't think was very good. The nightlife here was much better than that, in my opinion, because you had all these pubs here, all these bars, clubs, a really vibrant feel. Having been to most of the major cities in the Balkans now, I do think the best places for nightlife would be Athens, Thessaloniki, also Belgrade in Serbia, and also Split in Croatia in the summer as well. Split in Croatia does have very good nightlife, but outside of the summer, it kind of is a little bit more quiet because it is more of a summer kind of seasonal city. I guess if you count Romania as the Balkans, Romania does have good nightlife too, in Bucharest, and also in Cluj, the second city in Romania. In fact, nightlife here did remind me a lot of nightlife in Bucharest. These kind of cobbled streets filled with pubs and bars. It's very similar to Bucharest, if any of you have been to Bucharest before, so it's kind of a similar kind of vibe. I would say Bucharest is a bit more loud though. There's a lot of these clubs in the old town in Bucharest, whereas you don't have many of those loud clubs here in Thessaloniki. It's more bars and pubs, but you do have some clubs outside of this Ladadika area. Now, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, click the like button, hit it right now. It takes less than a second, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.